Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, I have the Tankbot shooter. This dude is really cool. It's a combination of the Tankbot, which I will leave the instruction link in the description for you, but it also has these cool Inventor shooters. Man, this thing is awesome. If you want to see this guy, stay with me.
Hino, LEGO Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I have to give it up for Eli. Eli built this Tankbot. He's in my class. And he was like, Mr. Hino, I want something to be able to shoot. And I'm like, well, the EV3 doesn't have that, but the Inventor does. Plug for Inventor Kit. So he basically it was amazing that he was able to put the mechanism, the shooting mechanism on this Tankbot, and we have it programmed so that when it senses something, it will shoot at it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, so once again, this has all the makings of the Tankbot. Eli did add some other things in here, like there usually wasn't these certain gears in here. But there again is the shooting mechanism. So let me go ahead and explain this because it's very cool. So there's a medium motor down here that Eli put in. And so what will happen is this medium motor will rotate this gray piece here to hit that to shoot, and then come back and swivel around and make that shoot. So the program just has this thing spinning when it sees an object. And you guys know the ultrasonic sensor. It's not just a laser beam that comes straight here. It actually spreads out. I'll leave the link to the video that I did on the ultrasonic sensor, like what are the parameters of how far this thing can see. But because it kind of goes out here, when it sees something, Eli put a little bit of an extra turn, so whatever it did see, it would actually hit the object, because it can see an object that would be right here, but if it's shot, it would miss it. So he has it coming a little further to shoot the enemy here. So let's go ahead and see this thing in action. Okay, so let's check out this program here. The Tankbot shooter is going to rotate. When it sees this red cup, the enemy, it will activate the missiles to fire one by one. Woo! And it has a little extra attack forward on that one. Let's try it again. I just don't want it to shoot me. Okay guys, so again, Eli, beautiful job on this Tankbot shooter. This thing is really cool. Again, sorry EV3 folks, this Inventor part is the part that I like about it. Again, not necessarily a plug for the Inventor, but a really good feature, you know, able to use that to shoot things with. And you know, the ultrasonic sensor can see that and then activate that. That's just another cool example of how students can learn the ultrasonic can trigger things once it sees it. So a very cool bot. And then, you know, who doesn't love something that can shoot? That's just really cool. Okay guys, hopefully you liked the Tankbot shooter. Again, check the description for the link on how to just do the Tankbot, if anything. And then you guys could probably get these Inventor shooters separately if you just checked around. So, all right guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.